Hey, hi all. Welcome back to BRR Knowledge Center. And in this session, we are going to write a starting first program, C Sharp program using Notepad. That means even though if you're not installing Visual Studio IDE or Visual Studio Code extension, right? Still you can write the program using Notepad because Notepad is the common software which get uh, by default installed into your system, wherein you just open Notepad and write the program, right? And just save it with extension .cs, right? And then you can compile C Sharp program via the runtime kind of SDK, right? So it's not mandatory of having Visual Studio IDE for a certain kind of programs where you can directly write it using Notepad and run through command prompt. Let us try to see like how I'm going to write a C Sharp program using Notepad and then how I'm going to save it and then run through command prompt. Okay, so you can use Notepad or Notepad++. It's all depends on the system which you are having the Notepad or Notepad++. You just open that and just write your starting program, then save that with dot extension, and then you just go to that particular path via command prompt, and then you use the C Sharp compiler called ZSC and run that. Okay, let me open this. So I'm going to write some sample program. Let me try to open the folder. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Notepad, right? This is how I'm going to open Notepad. So in here, I can write my starting program. That is the first statement is importing namespace. That is system is the default namespace to use, right? Printing of some text or reading of some text from the console. Hence, system is the first namespace you need to import. So using is the keyword, which you have to use it as part of C# to import any namespace. And then next one is namespace. This is a keyword which will use to create a namespace because first, when you look at the hierarchy of program, first section would be namespaces importing, and second thing is namespaces, and then classes, and then the main method, and then we have properties and local and global variables, right? So as part of structure, I'm just writing namespace, right? A demo, curly braces open and close. And inside of this, I'm just saying some class demo, let's say hello. And it's also going to start curly braces starting and ending inside of class. So I'm going to write main method because this is the starting place where C# compiler will start execution process. Hence, I'm writing this program. So I main, sorry, what happened? String arguments. Instead of that, I'm writing program. Simple program. I'm trying to print some message. To print the message, I have to use the right line. So here, uh, this is not using right line of hello, welcome to C# program. Okay. So semicolon is must for every line. Okay. This is a simple program. So I created namespace and then created a class and then created a method, void main string of argument. This is something which we can talk about when topics come for like command line arguments. Even you can remove this and you can create it anyway. But this is very useful when you wanted to pass dynamic parameters to your program from the command line arguments. This will hold in the arguments, and with that arguments variable, we can read the input values and then use it as part of your program. So let me save this. Save. I'm going to save this in this particular path. Here, as I said, just save it as with dot extension cs, demo.cs. You can see here the file is saved. Okay. Now go to your command prompt, right? Here, check for CSC. So CSC basically installed in your path of Visual Studio where you install. Let me try to search for this command prompt. So this is where my command prompt is. Just open this. This is going to open Visual Studio command prompt, right? This is where this path is installed. Now you check here, CSC, C Sharp compiler, it's already installed. That's why it is just telling about, these details. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is CSC, and then you mention the file name which is saved. So I saved file is here, right? Let me go back. So D drive T demo.cs. When you compile this, it is going to build the relevant file. Uh, access problem, it seems. The program and raise demo is denied. Okay, so what you have to do is, again, you close this, open this in, right? Um, Administrator privileges, command prompt, as administrator, come here, right? It is coming here. Now, this CSC, just try this, close CSC, D drive slash T demos slash demo.gs. When you run this, it is going to now compile your program, okay? And then it is going to, right? Just refresh this, no difference happened. Let me, okay. So T and demo. See here, only demo.cs. So do you see any problem with this? I don't think it is having any problem. So let me try to build this. See here. Yeah, now it has created exe because it has to create exe when you compile this. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is, or what I did here is just remove this. This is what the program you saved, right? Just edit. So you go to this particular area, right? Or as you just say like open command prompt and administrator privileges. Okay. Um, Let me try to open this. Open this. Open with Visual Studio Code or no. And we just go here and command prompt. Just command prompt rather than run as administrator. And then you try to check the CSA. It is not coming out here anyway. So then what you have to do is you just open Visual Studio command prompt and run as administrator. And then navigate through your path wherever you are saving your source code. D drive CD T CD demo. Now see, you have only one file that is demo.ts, and when you type the demo CS, you can see the content of this particular CS file. Now, to compile this CSC demo.cs, you will check the syntax and errors of your program, and it compiles and create exe. You can see here, exe is going to create it because that's what the outcome of CSC compiler. Okay, get the now to get execute the compiled code. This is MSL code, right? Intermediate code. Now I want to execute this. You just press demo.exe or demo, right? Because exe can be called with the name, right? It is going to print the response. Okay, this is how you are going to compile or write C# program from the notepad. Okay, so only thing is you need to open notepad. Let me try to write some steps so that you will have more understanding in this. Okay, so saving the C# code notepad or writing C# program via notepad, right? The first thing is when you talk about first thing, open the notepad, open the notepad, right? Or you can just shortcut also we can open it from how you're opening with shortcut, right? If you want to use control plus N or directly from Windows search box. Second thing is write C# program. Third is save the file with extension .cs, right? And after that, right, open the text editor, right, and see how your file is saved, okay? And after that, open Visual Studio command prompt from Windows search box. Make sure you will be having administrator privileges, right? And after that, use CSC command. This is C# pilot. C# compiler. CSC means C# compiler. Use CSC, right? Say CSC, right? File name .cs. Seventh step is observe that exe is created. Then next is run the exe to get the output. Okay, these are the steps, right? You need to follow to write a program and then to execute the program from the command prompt. Okay, so this is how you are going to write a C# program in the notepad and execute same program via command prompt. Okay, so I hope you understood like how you are going to write a C# program using notepad and then how you are going to execute from the command prompt. Okay, thanks for listening on this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.